You know what? I'm just gonna get right into it. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4s are finally available for those of us in the US to purchase. Now, prior to CES, late December, Samsung made the announcement that the Galaxy Book 4s were coming. And at CES, I got to go hands-on with the laptops and give them a rundown. I did a video about that, giving you all the specs and different options for that. So finally, on February 23rd, Samsung announced that the books were available globally, but the website for the US was not available. You could go into the UK's website and order the Galaxy Books 4s, but not in the US. And then finally today, February 26th, the website is up for the United States and you can go in there and order them. So in this video, all I'm going to do is just break down the different options, different pricings that are available for us in the United States, so you can just figure out which one you want to get. But before we dive into all that information, if you're new to this channel and enjoy getting up-to-date tech news, then you've landed at the right channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. All right, let's jump into this. Just very quickly, I'm not going to go over this article in depth, but there are some special offers for people in the United States. So there's some trading offers really quickly here. So if you have $400 off when you trade in the Galaxy Book Flex Alpha, you get $500 or $600 off when you trade in the Book 2 series laptop, $600 or $700 when you trade in the Galaxy Book 3 laptops, and $700 or $800 enhanced trade-in if you trade in the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra. That was the previous version. And there's also another $700 offer for those who want to trade in the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra for one of the Galaxy Book 4 books. So those are the options available for you. But let's get down to the meat and potatoes and take a look at the Samsung's website. Here, this is the US website. Finally, we're going to take a look at the different options that are available. Just very quickly, very simply, go over what we have here. So first off, we have the Galaxy Book 4 360. That one starts at $1,099. And you have the option of going with the Core 5, or you can go with the Core 7. And you can get 16 gigabytes RAM with that one, and 512 hard drive, or you get the Ultra 5, not the Ultra, these are just the Core, these are not the Ultra ones for you. And they are 15.6 inch screen for both of those models, and it comes in just the color gray here. Again, like I said, with the laptop, with the trade-in, if you trade in your tablet and you trade in the Tab 8 Ultra, you're pretty much at the end of the day paying around 219 bucks for this. So that is a good deal if you want to go that route. But this tablet here is probably not for any of you who are actually watching this channel. You probably want something a little bit more beefy. So let's just go up the ranks. Just very quickly, in my video at CES, I did touch on the Book 4 and the Book Ultra. I gave a rundown on the different specs and the features that were available for that. So if you want to watch that video, I'll make sure I'll link that for you right here. Now, if you want to go up to a better laptop, a little bit more with the Core chips, you go with the Galaxy Book 4 Pro. Does include the Core 7 Ultra, and you have your choice of either 16 gigabytes RAM with a 512 hard drive, or 16 gigabytes RAM with the 1 terabyte hard drive, and 16 inches as well, and Moonstone Gray for you. So, and if you take a look at the Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360, now if you want a 2-in-1 laptop, this one does have the S Pen included for you. So if you're looking to do some drawing or have that option available, then this is the laptop that you want to go with. Again, it does have a 3K AMOLED screen with it. There are no configurations, no customization for this one, so it's just pretty much standard. The Core Ultra 7 that is included with the Intel Arc integrated graphics chip in there, 16 gigabytes RAM with the 1 terabyte hard drive, and 16-inch screen with the Moonstone Gray. And that one starts at $1,900 for you. And the last one here that they have is the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra. So this will be for anybody who's looking to get that extra power, looking for the latest Intel Ultra chips, and possibly do a little bit of gaming for you as well. As you can see here, the Intel Core 7 Ultra, Intel Core Ultra 7 has the NVIDIA GeForce 4050 for you. So again, low-end budget gaming laptop. But if you want to do a little bit more power, more gaming, then you want to go with the Intel Core Ultra 9 model, and that's includes the RTX 4070 chip for you. Now that one is at the $3,000 mark, so the price is a little high up there. So just keep that in mind. You definitely want to do that. Again, 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage with you, 16 inch, and of course Moonstone Gray. Another option for storage is there's an SD slot where you can go up to an extra 2 terabytes. So that is another option for you. Also, if you purchase any of these laptops, you do get a choice of your free gift, or not your free gift, but you get a choice of the portable SSD hard drive, which is 2 terabytes, or you can go with the $130 off your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. But if you want more storage, and this is a sturdy external drive here, so you probably get that one, and it's free. It's a $219 value, so definitely probably something that you definitely want to check out if you want to go that route. But again, pretty simple here. I just wanted to give you a breakdown on what's available. Again, the best thing about it is that it is now available for those of us in the United States. So let me know what you guys think. Which one are you more excited about? Which one are you getting down there? I'm actually looking to probably get the Book 4 Pro 360. Don't necessarily need a gaming laptop. I just need a 2-in-1 with a little bit more power. If I do end up getting it, I will definitely do a review, so it will be up on this channel. So make sure you are locked in right here and subscribe to it as well. But let me know down in the comment section what you are looking forward to getting if you are interested in getting one of these Galaxy Book 4 from Samsung. Once again, thank you for taking time out to watch this video. Again, if you enjoy staying up to date with the latest tech news, then you are at the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Also, if you have friends and family that enjoy this type of content, make sure you share this with them. Also, hit that like button. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, head over to SoundsNerdy.com, where I curate and aggregate tech news from around the web, covering Apple, Samsung, Google, Android, computing, and even more general tech news, all at the website SoundsNerdy.com. And for even more news in video form, check out these two videos right here. Until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.